Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkur Ali. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to access and download your FAFSA submission summary easily. If you've submitted your FAFSA application, the next important step is downloading your FAFSA submission summary. This summary contains key details about your application, including your eligibility for federal student aid. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to find, download, and save your summary in just a few easy steps. So let's get started and make the process simple for you. To explain all the steps to download the FAFSA submission summary one by one, we have brought you to this website called New York Universities. This website provides hundreds of articles related to education in New York. One of these articles is titled "Struggling to Download FAFSA Submission Summary, Here's the Solution." This article explains in detail how to download and print the FAFSA submission summary. As we scroll down in the article, we find a detailed explanation of what the submission summary is and why it is important for us. You will find the link to this article in the description so you can visit and read all the details yourself. Scrolling further down, we reach our main topic: how to download FAFSA submission summary. As you can see, step-by-step instructions are provided with laptop screen images explaining each step in detail. Now, let's go through these steps one by one. In the first step, you need to open the official FAFSA website. As shown in the image, on the homepage at the top right corner, you will see a button labeled FAFSA form. You need to click on it. In the second step, you will see two options: Start New Form, Access Existing Form. You need to click on Access Existing Form, as shown in the image. Scrolling down, in the third step, it is mentioned that you need to enter your username and password to log in to your application form. In the fourth step, as shown in the image, once you log in, the My Activity page will appear on your laptop screen. Below that, you will see the form. Since we didn't have a form for the new session, we are using the form from the previous session to explain the process. Now you need to click on your form. Scrolling down to the fifth step, it is mentioned that as soon as you click on your application form, you will see all the details related to it. You will find information about when you started the form, the date it was submitted, and the date it was approved. At the bottom of the page, you will see a blue button labeled FAFSA Submission Summary. Click on it. In the sixth step, it is explained that as soon as you click the blue button, your FAFSA submission summary will open. You will see four types of information: eligibility overview, FAFSA form, answers, school information. Next, steps. Your entire submission summary is available within these four sections. If you want to print this entire detail, look at the top right corner. You will see a button labeled Print This Page. Click on it. As soon as you click it, in the seventh step, the print window will open. You can either print it directly or select Save as PDF to save the document for future use. By following these 7 simple steps, you can easily download your FAFSA submission summary and save it as a PDF. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe Cabbage Financial Solutions for more tips related to banking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.